So many times I'm scouting through my notepad, scavenging for ways to skip this skin deep thought of you, but ironically I end up writing poems about you. This feeling is stronger than the forces that keep angels and demons apart. All I ever wanted was to split the seas for you like Moses. Fill your pathway with roses. Now my eyes are like two shivering moons, fighting this cold pitch black sky, cold reality. Cause really, how come every time I speak of you, I speak with calm, stitched to my tone, yet deep inside there's this rage of fury fighting to escape from my chest. Fire laughing in my stomach, and at once I'm lost in this world of mine where even Google can't find me. If only my life was yours, only then you would understand the pain that I've endured. Like Adam, to me you stood that image of perfection I saw in Eden, Eve. Even if God separates us for 1,000 years, I'll write you every day faithful. I'll write you letters that'll literally litter the land with love for you, my lady. Even in the darkest shades of black, I hope when night fades, you turn back and value the tears I've shed. This river of emotions, wildly waterfalling through these thick home words, needs you like a sympathetic lung to breathe life into this corpse and resurrect my ability to love again. And the next time I'm lost in that world of mine, I hope I find you there.
I'm so drunk in love, like I've been consuming black label culling. Seriously, when I'm emotionally talking, I won't be joking, even though at times I might be humorously poking, walking on this pathway, a concrete pavement of love and emotions. We're not like all those going through breakups and reconciliations, breakdowns and communications, fighting over one small problem, but coming up with tons of weird solutions. My angel, you always top the list of my every New Year's resolutions, because you are the empress of my spheres. When you utter those sweet sugar dripping words, I'll be all ears, and at times I burst into tears, because I love you and it's only you. True, out of the blue when you show up I melt, you know, that heartfelt connection of affection that immediately gets into action, the reaction of my heart to your heartbeat and my mind to your mind, all aligned in the 4 letters of love. An angel from up above that was lowered to be my darling dove, my darling dearest. Is there gonna be life after we die, excluded from this envelope of nature in the sky? God should just turn us into birds and let us fly. Better still, they'll call us lovebirds. I always run out of words whenever I try to appreciate my relationship with you. True, I'll take you to California, I'll take you to Macedonia, I'll also take you to Mars. Play golf there and have a clear view of the stars. Like the galaxy full of stars, my heart is full of feelings and it's about to explode. Oh my God.
The other day I was telling my imaginary girlfriend how much I love the way she smiles each time she's around me. She looked at me, straight into my eyes with a glow on her face and chiseled dimples on her cheeks, slowly slanting her head to her left shoulder, and said, "Baby, you know you're a terrible liar." And I replied with a deep voice trying to sound like a man and say, "You know, I'll say anything to make you smile, even if it's the last thing I say. I'll probably say it." See, if you have someone special, you'd make every second count and every minute mount to the next hour until you lose sight of time. You'll be an open book, sharing nothing with her but truth. She will become your best friend and you will become your best friend. A true love story that will never end.
Just decided to show you my expression. Last night I had a vision, better take an action. I take my time sketching through my art, exploring my deep pools of emotions with passion. Expressing myself, come with the cave shapes. Type of if you mosaic, I'm a duelist to mosaic. Patterns and share from the harmonies. Sound killed from the colors, my deep thing makes it abstract. Love is art that's perfect. And for words, strong as a creative piece of a sculpture.
Yo, a girl like you was never seen. A girl like you was never known. Had you were knocking on the heaven's door, just show me the direction where the angels go. Damn, what is it? Is it a potion? Is it a pill? Is it magical or was it just a miracle? Where you coming from? Damn, I really wanna know. No scars, no pimples, just simple. I can't explain though. Hey, you made my mind gone to your heart, so my heart lost in the body and the soul. Come on, baby, we're just a string attached. Let me see you with the G-string attached. I am feeling like I am finding that. But anyway, it's just the heart that says. You can say a lot when your body move, dancing to the groove. My mind can say a lot, but you can say others too. Damn, just gonna take the simple. You the type of person that make a polygamist turn single. I don't know if that be illegal, but anyway, I don't know what my heart could say, but hey, I feel amazed. Thank you.